Welcome back, dear student. Today we will be doing our lab related to the circuit that will subtract the two 2-bit numbers. So let's suppose the first number is x, in which there are 2 bit x1 and x0, and another number is y, in which there are 2 bit y1 and y0. We will be performing the subtraction operation x minus y. So for that, to implement, we will need one half subtractor and one full subtractor. In the half subtractor, we will give two input x0 and y0, and from it we will get two output d1, which is difference, and borrow b0. In full subtractor, there are three inputs x1, y1, and borrow from the half subtractor, and it will give two output b and d2. So let's find out the expression for d, d1, d2, and b. So, we can find this expression according to our simple concept we use in digital logic, and we will get the expression for d1 as x0 xor y0. Similarly, the expression for d2 can be calculated as x1 x0 y1 x0 complement y0, and in the same way we can also calculate the expression for the borrow as x1 complement y1 plus x1 complement ANDed by x0 complement y0 plus y1 ANDed with the x0 complement and y0. So let's implement this circuit in ISA. So let's start our ISA. So for that, I will have to create one new project, and I will name this project as 2 bits subtractor. 2 bits subtractor, and then I will finish it. Then I will add one source file, which is VHDL module, and I will name it 2 bit subtractor. Next, so there are four inputs x1 followed by x0 followed by y1 followed by y0, and there are three outputs which are d1 d2 followed by b. So I will click on the next, sorry, so I have to change this into output port. Let's change into output port, then I will place the next button, finish it, and then I have to write the expression for d0, d1 and b here. I have written the expression already, so I will copy those expression which is in the help file. So here are the expression that I need to write. So I will copy this, Control C, and paste them here in my program, Control C. Now I will save this, Control S. Then I will check for the syntax error. Okay, so syntax failed. So why it is failed? Let's check it. So I have to save it here. D0, D1, B. Oh, here I have written O instead of 0, so I have to write 0. Then I have to save it again. Now I can check syntax for one more time. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so we got the green tick. Then I will go to add one more source file which will be our test bench. So I will name it as tpl underscore tbs. I will press the next button, finish it. Now I will remove some of the non-required code. So first one is here. I have to remove this. Then I will move a little bit further. Then I will remove this part to clock definition process. Then clock period is also not required. Then I will write all the possible combination for the 4 inputs here. So I will again go to my help file and I will copy this. This contains all the possible value for the 4 bits starting from 0000 to 1111. So I will bring it back. I will clear this and paste the code here, Control V. Now I have written all the possible value for the 4 inputs. Now I will save this file. I will go to the simulation tab. I will select my test bench. I will check the syntax. Okay, there's no problem with the syntax. I will simulate it. After simulating, I can see the timing diagram. Okay, so in this timing diagram, I can see all the possible inputs and their corresponding outputs with the help of the timing diagram. So this is the lab. See you in the next lab. Thank you.